I can't believe it, guys. Even though I specifically said that I did not own this episode, own SpongeBob this episode, and everything else I have that was not mm, mm, in my original content here. Mm, here. The video was partially blocked. Mm, I mean, mm, mm, that time was maybe everywhere else before, but it was you. But however, I think I have a feeling of why. Also, spoiler alert, this is the only other way to watch this episode now. And so, yeah, if you haven't noticed already, yeah, it's here. Yep, 144p is still here. This, this, and look at this. Here's the title card, and these. This is the only way to. So I added maybe around 2 scenes. I don't remember. If I'm not, I'm sorry if I made a mistake of one uh, of having 2 scenes as I thought, but actually having one. But here that was a quick pause. But yeah, also happy 1,400 video here, folks. And now that's all for real this time. But now this is officially the last video of January ever. We have yesterday I have an incident where one of these files happened to be errored and I deleted some files and then I remade some and I I think I might have re-edited it. But overall now this is the only way you can watch this episode. And I don't like the second version in where one scene was cut because it's space goofs. This time, half of the episode in the third version of the show got cut immediately. And now this is the only other way you could watch it now, according to all the anti copyright scenes here. So yeah. Sorry you had to hear about this, but sorry. Well, even though I did say I did not own wet painters, I still included it. Anyways, it just gives you some advice reason. This is actually a deluxe edited version, and it included a added scene with the same money in the frame scene with the crayon. But this time SpongeBob said something about it over here. And you can watch the scene on here too. Oh, by the way, see this is exactly what I was talking 3 minutes ago. And anyways, thank you so much for watching this. And thank you for 1,400 videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next month. Goodbye. Sorry, but I'm still mad about what happened in January overall lately. I felt like this time this is actually the worst month this time because I think we all finally need to take a break from it. And even though his second channel proved otherwise. But for real this time, uh, bye now. Anyways, sorry you had to hear this.